Hi friends, I'm Sarah Gard again, your PTA treasurer with a better late than never review of our Monday, September 26th PTA meeting. First, please mark your calendars that unless there is a school holiday or a conflict, our PTA meetings throughout this year will fall on the last Monday of each month at 5:30 p.m. Now we're starting to see fall illnesses, so a gentle reminder that if your child is not well, please keep them home from school or encourage them to wear a mask as it can help lower the rate of spreading of an illness. And on a personal note, if you have loved ones in the path of Hurricane Ian, my heart is with you. I'm feeling good that in our area, we're probably just going to see some wind, some rain, but our neighbors in Florida are in tough shape right now. We had another successful meeting on Monday. More parents and more Peachtree faculty are showing up each time we meet, which is exciting. Our PTA membership has nearly tripled in size since the beginning of this year. Woo, woo, woo. We're thrilled to see that number grow and grow. We hope to see even more of you come to our meetings. Remember, our official membership roster is on Member Hub, and encourage anyone else that you might know to join us. On to the financial report. I shared that we started the month with $3,519.34 in the bank. We will end the month with $4,141.59 in the bank once all the checks and deposits settle. Now that is an increase of $622.25 thanks to new members, donations, and our very successful Spirit Night at $3 Cafe. Thank you to everyone who has supported us this month so far. There are more opportunities to support us, and I'll talk about those in a moment. We did have to pay our annual PTA dues to the Greater PTA organization, which was a cost of $250. To offset that cost, the PTA board decided to forego purchasing the Microsoft Office suite, which is also valued at $250. And we think that we can use Google Suite instead, and that it's a better use of your donations and our funds. On to the fundraising report. Thanks to your participation, we made $500 at our $3 Cafe Spirit Night. It blew our expectations away, and we are so grateful for everyone who came and participated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now mark your calendars because this Friday, 2 days from today, September 30th, is the end of the Little Caesars Pizza Kit fundraiser. So get those turned in on Friday. Then that evening, join us at Jason's Deli for our next Spirit Night. Let's see if we can raise another $500. Bring your neighbors, your friends, anyone who loves Jason's Deli, and come by, have a meal, and support the school. Which brings me to our next important topic, volunteer opportunities. We know that you didn't sign up for the PTA just for my fabulous videos. I mean, if you did, thank you. I'm very flattered. But we believe that you want to make a difference at our school. So here's some upcoming opportunities to do just that. On Friday, September 30th, we would love 2 to 4 families to be Spirit Night hosts at Jason's Deli. What does that mean? It means that you wear Peachtree colors, or if you've got Peachtree spirit wear, you could bring balloons or streamers and be willing to say hello and wave to anyone who comes in. That way you can remind other patrons that they're there for Peachtree Spirit Night, and it will help us have great success and create that school feeling that we're looking for. Respond to the email that sent you this link if you'd like to be a Spirit Night host, or send an email to peachtreeespta@gmail.com. It's a funny looking email address because there are 3 E's in a row if you spell it right. Our pizza kits will be delivered to the school on October 17th or 18th, and again, we would love a few volunteers to help us organize the kits by student who sold them so they can be distributed and sent home with the kids on the early release days. More details will come from that when we get them from Little Caesars. We do have early release days coming up on October 19th and 20th, and the PTA will be providing lunch to the school, faculty, and staff. We would love 2 parent volunteers on each day, so 2 on the 19th, 2 on the 20th, to be there to help set up and serve and break down our lunch. It would be from about 10 o'clock in the morning until about noon. So if you have an early conference time, you could finish the cleanup and then just stay for the conference. By the way, the school wanted me to assure all parents, PEP will meet on early release days. Again, students can stay for PEP on early release days. Also, mark your calendar for coffee with the principal on October 27th and for book character day on October 31st, where the students get to dress up as their favorite book character. Later this semester, there will be a sport stacking competition at the school. That is on November 12th, I believe. Yes, at our school. And older students who need volunteer hours are encouraged to reach out to Coach Senf for information on how they can get involved. We're also planning a holiday market for the kids the week of December 5th. Watch for more details on that awesome event from our PTA parent and member, Janelle, who has graciously volunteered to lead the holiday market fundraiser, and she will have plenty of opportunities for you to volunteer that come along with that. Finally, if you have a knack for websites, our PTA website needs a new webmaster. We would be forever grateful to someone who is willing to put their talents to work to help us improve our web presence, keep our members and our contacts and our sponsors up to date monthly. Again, reply to the email if you are interested in helping. And if you have bilingual skills, specifically Spanish and English, you are our top choice. Thanks again for your kind attention, and we'll see you at Jason's Deli this Friday.